Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a friendly Roblox video for YouTube kids. Let's get started. First, choose a family-friendly Roblox game like Adopt Me, Brookhaven, or Obi Games. Avoid violent or scary content. When recording, use clean language, stay cheerful, kind, and positive. Keep the video short and fun. 1 to 5 minutes is perfect for younger viewers. Then you can also add colorful text, stickers, and sound effects to make it exciting, but not too loud or distracting. Then, edit out anything inappropriate or confusing. Double check the background music and visual for safety. When uploading to YouTube, select Made for Kids and write a clear, simple title like Playing Hide and Seek in Roblox. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.